Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the Shopify free trial and extend it for up to 3 months so you can build and test your online store. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official website of Shopify. On the homepage, you'll see the option Start Free Trial. Enter your email address and click on Start Free Trial. Next, Shopify will ask you a few questions about your business, such as what you want to sell and whether you already have a store. You can answer these questions or simply skip them. After that, create your account using your email, Google account, or Apple ID. Once your account is created, you'll be taken to your Shopify dashboard where you can start building your online store. Now, here's the important part. Shopify usually offers a 3-day free trial to new users. After those 3 days, you may see a promotional offer that allows you to continue using Shopify for about 3 months at only $1 per month. This gives you enough time to build your store, add products, customize your theme, test payments and settings. To activate this offer, simply click Select a Plan and choose the plan you want. After confirming your payment method, the $1 per month promotion will begin. During this time, you can fully explore Shopify and prepare your store before paying the normal subscription price. And that's it. That's how you can get the Shopify free trial and use the platform for up to 3 months at a very low cost. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more